Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Darissa Rain, aka Riri, and today's video is going to be my Wednesday Wow and Wearable. If you are unfamiliar with my Wednesday Wow and Wearable, it is a series I started, I think, over a year ago now. I need to check. But it is taking one palette and doing one eye with a wow look, something that's a little bit more bold, something that's more out there. Sometimes it'll be a cut crease, smoky eye, whatever the case may be. And then the other eye is a softer, more wearable eye. Daytime friendly, super soft, work appropriate, school appropriate. You get the idea. At the time that I started this, to my knowledge, and even now, I don't know of anyone who does this. Of course, there are, 3 looks, 1 palette, 10 looks, 1 palette, but it is typically someone using 1 palette and creating the look on both eyes, the same look for both eyes. So I love this idea of being able to do one eye and showing somebody, especially if it's a bolder palette and maybe you are intimidated by it, but taking a palette that seemingly is scary, maybe, and showing you that you can do it in a wow, crazy, bold, out there type of look, or you can also reel it in, even if it is a bold, colorful palette, and you can do something more wearable. So with that being said, today's palette is going to be the Too Faced Born This Way, the Natural Nudes palette. I have not even swatched her yet. I'm very excited about this. I do like that it goes all the way back. There is a mirror, of course. And the preface for this particular palette is to have a nude color story for every skin tone. So we have light, medium, and then going into deep and stuff like that. Fair, light, medium, and deep. So I love this concept. I'm a huge fan of Too Faced shadows. Sometimes some palettes have not spoken to me. I've had a few flops, but overall I really, really love Too Faced quality. I feel like the blendability and things like that is there. So I'm really excited to try this. So of course we will do one eye with a wow look and then one eye with a wearable look. And I'm very excited. I'm trying, if I'm crooked too, I'm sorry. I think I'm going to just redo my entire beauty space. But I'm really trying to just get back into the swing of things, kind of forcing myself to just come in here because I know when I do start, it's like that anxiety that builds up, but when I sit down and I do start filming, it kind of takes everything away. It takes all the craziness away, all the stress and everything. I mean, I've said it a million times that the reason that I started my YouTube channel was for a creative outlet, was to help me with my depression and anxiety. And I think especially during these times when things are off and we're all feeling like that, it's easy to get kind of lost and kind of caught up in the negativity or in the unknown or in the scary of things. So this is my way of just kind of hopping back in, getting my feet wet again. So I'm trying my best to get back on track with you guys, and I appreciate the patience. I'm so far behind on everybody, I literally will never, ever catch up, but I'm doing what I can. So really quickly, I will tell you what I have on my face, and then we will speed this bad boy up. So on my face, I am using the Tatcha The Dewy Skin Cream, this little sample. I'm trying to use her up. I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape Hydrating Foundation in the light to medium sand. I went in with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Fair. I went in with this teeny tiny little Anastasia Brow Wiz in brown. I'm just trying to also finish this up. And then I went over it with my 24-hour brow setter from Benefit. And don't clock my brows. We know they're a work in progress, okay? In the 90s, they went rogue and they just never came back. Okay, that's all there is to it. And then I went into my panning drawer. I used my Hourglass palette, which is starting to get a little bit of a dent in there. And this is what I use to set under my eyes, also to blush and do a little bit of contour. Then I went in with my ColourPop Champagne Bubbles. Y'all know that I love this. And guess what, y'all? Yes, wait for it. Wait for it, y'all. Woo! Yes, ma'am. I will say it's so weird because there's literally not that much product in here. Let me get it really close for you guys. And in the part where it's kind of hit pan, when I rub over that with the brush, it kind of crumbles. So that scares me a little bit. I'm afraid it's just going to kind of break on me. But oh my God, I love this so much. So that is it. That's what I have on my face. I'm sorry I'm rambling, but it is what it is. It's a shit show at Riri's house. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to hop on in again. this is the palette we're going to be using today. So yeah, I'm going to jump in. We're going to do our Wow and Wearable. Thank you, beauties, for dealing with this long-ass intro. Thank you for dealing with my absence when I have to take some time away to breathe and recoup and find my inner self, my inner peace again. And I hope everybody is well. I appreciate everybody who is an essential worker. I appreciate everybody who isn't an essential worker. I know that this is hard for everybody, so I'm thankful for you all. I appreciate you guys so much. Please always remember to be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.